Okay, welcome to our 7.1 mini lesson in case you forgot how to graph systems of equations. So graphing systems of equations, we're just going to graph each equation in y equals mx plus b format and then see where they meet. So y equals mx plus b, if you do not remember, looks like this, and this is the slope, and it's going to be in the format rise divided by run. So rise will be on the top and run will be on the bottom, and then this is the y-intercept. So for instance, this one right here, our y-intercept is going to be 4, so that means on our graph we're going to mark 4 on the y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's our first point. And then the second one is going to be slope. So right here in front of the x, that's our slope, -2. So you'll notice this one's not in fraction form. However, if we have a whole number and we want it to be in fraction form, we just put it over 1 because -2 divided by 1 is still the same as -2. So that means that our rise is -2 and our run is 1, meaning we're going down 2 and then to the right 1. And then we just keep following that pattern until we have a few points, and then you're going to take a straight edge and just make a nice long line. You want to use a straight edge because when we are graphing to try and find an intersection point, it's really important to be precise, otherwise you can end up with a point that is not really a point on your line. Okay, this one right here, notice that we do not have y equals mx plus b format, so we need to solve for y. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides. Now I have -y equals -x plus 5, and then I'm going to divide both sides by -1. So I have y equals x minus 5. So I have a y-intercept of -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a slope of 1. Meaning I go up 1 over 1, so I'm going to go like that, and there's my line. So this right here is my intersection point, and that is 3, -2 is my point, so that's where they meet. Okay, please write down any questions if you have them, and I'll see you in class.